In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix no sound on Instagram stories or videos on your phone. Let's get started. First, clear cache for the Instagram. So close this, launch your settings app. Navigate to the option General. Click on iPhone storage. From the list of apps, find Instagram and launch it. Click on Offload app. Click on Offload app again to confirm it. Then wait for a few seconds and click on Reinstall app. For the Android device, press and hold on the Instagram app. Select the option, app icon. Navigate to the option storage. Click on clear cache and confirm it. Next up, go to Bluetooth settings. Toggle off for that option, so your audio is not accidentally going to headphones or external speakers. Also check your phone's volume and ensure it's not on silent or vibration mode, and increase the volume to maximum. If the issue still continues, restart your phone using the power button to refresh your system settings. You can also try completely deleting Instagram app from your device and reinstalling it. This will fix any corrupted app files or bugs. Keep in mind that some videos may have no sound due to copyrighted audio or upload issues, so test with different stories as well. Most of the time, a simple restart or clearing the app cache solves the problem. That's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.